What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to share with you the top dividend ETFs and the top dividend stocks to buy that will do you extremely well, okay? But listen, I got a jam-packed video for you all, so please do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes, and without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm jumping right into one of my favorite dividend ETFs, which is the SCHD Charles Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. After the stock split, I want to give you guys an update. I want to let you see under the hood what this looks like adjusted after the stock split. Okay, it's now sitting at $28.32. Okay, on the week it is down 1.7%. On the month, it is almost up 1%. Over the past 3 months, it is up 3%. Year to date, it is up 12%. I want to teach you guys something, okay? A lot of times I hear people that talk about investing and they'll try to say because something is down or not performing well that it's down. When you buy is all that matters. Write this down. Your entry when you buy is what matters most. Let me take you guys under the hood of how to properly invest and buy all of your plays, but I want to show you using SCHD. All right, check this out, guys. I have 1,284.515071 shares of this, what you call fractional shares, okay? Look at this. Post adjusted from the stock split, the average cost is $24.10. Okay, look at this. I'm up 17.5% on the year. Okay, so you might have some people saying, oh, this stock is horrible, this stock is down. None of that don't matter to me, guys. When you guys learn how to invest, I hear people talk about Tesla. Guys, I have these stocks so low. I don't care about no down year, no down day, no down month. When you learn to buy low, so I teach you guys technical analysis and risk management. But the one thing you can do lateral to making money with options, you can use my same technicals to see where to buy your stocks. I'm mostly telling, for example, and teaching us how to buy at support. Well, support on a big time frame like the 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, that's a great area to buy your stocks, buy your ETFs, buy your long-term investments, okay? So when you invest like me, whether the year is an up year or down year, you dominate the stock market because your average cost is low. Does that make sense? This stock still has to come down to $24 just for me to be back to break even, okay? I can put a stop loss on all of this and just lock in profits and then rebuy all of this if it was to come lower, okay, like $20 or $19. And then now I got a new average cost. I locked in 17%. Wall Street don't get 17%, and none of their hedge funds, none of those people that come on CNBC. The average person on Wall Street in a good year get maybe 10%. Okay, so 17.5% is 2 times better than what they're doing, almost 3 times better than what they're doing. But that is not the point. Buy often, buy low, and then dollar cost average the rest of the time. Okay, I still buy this every single day, guys, just to stay consistent. Look at this. It's gonna be $50 a day. Let's just look at some of this. Check this out, guys. I still buy this every day, even post the stock split. Nothing changes. When you are an investor, you keep the same routine. And on top of that, guys, when I make money with options, I need a place to park the cash. Guess what? SCHD is one of those ones. But I wanted to show you guys today, on top of SCHD, I want to show you some other ones as well, okay? Other ETFs you should buy. This one is VYM. The ticker symbol on this one is VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. Not only is this one a good ETF, but it pays a great dividend, okay? This is one you need to have as part of your mix. If you got a Roth IRA, if you have anything that you might be actively managing, the VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield, if you want to earn passive income, if you have your systems in place, you have your investments in place, and you just want to put your feet up, let this do all the heavy lifting. Look at this. On the week is down 1.7%. On the month is up 1.3%. 3 months is up 4.5%. Year to date is up 16%. Okay. 1 year out is up 30%. 5 years out is up 44%. Put your money in these things, okay? Put your money into these vehicles. These are what I'm talking about. I teach you guys technical. So support would be something like this right here. This was a bottom, okay? Support would be something right here. This was a bottom. Support will be something right here. This was a bottom. All of those are your buying opportunities, no matter what time frame you're looking at. You can go back here. Boom. October 31st. That right there was a buy. This right here was a buy. This right here, April 17, 2024, was a buy. Right here was a buy. May 28th. If you just always buy the dips, okay, you should get excited on a red day if you are an investor, if you are on a corporate plantation and you desire to leave, retire, or whatever the case may be. You should get excited on a red day, because that is going to get you closer to your future, because you now can buy low. You can buy low like those of us that build our wealth through the stock market. You buy low, so then when it goes up 30%, think about 30% on $10,000. Now think bigger than that. Think 100,000. Think 1 million. Okay, think 10 million. Okay. This is how the game works, okay? But I want you to know you can start small. You can start small, and you should make it your duty to get as much money in these assets as Coach tell you about as possible to grow your wealth, okay? Another one I got for you guys is VTI. You guys know I treat this like my bank account. VTI, the ticker symbol on that one is just that. The Vanguard Total Stock Market. This one is sitting at 286.83. On the week, this was down 0.7%. On the month, it was up 1.83%. This is the equivalent, or you can get VOO. You might hear people say one or the other. You only need one, okay? They perform almost the same. I bet if you pull up VOO, watch this. For 3 months, it's up 5.9%. Year to date, up 21%. These dips right here, boom, that's where you buy. This dip right here is where you buy. This dip right here is where you, if you just buy the dips and don't listen to TV and the fear mongering, you are going to be very, very wealthy, okay? Keep the game simple. Keep the game simple. Do what the 1%ers of the world do, okay? This is what we do. We love a bear market. We love when it's a red day, because we're not buying when it's high. We're purposely backing up the Brinks truck on days it's a huge sell-off in the market. Dow's down 1,000 points. Then NASDAQ is down 700 points. Those are the days we get excited, okay? Other than that, we're just chilling and doing some day trades, okay? On the year, it's up 40%, okay? This is how you grow your wealth. I have millions of dollars in VTI, guys, so just think. And I had it way before these little prices that it's sitting at. So think about being up 40% alone just this year, on top of getting in this in the hundreds of dollars when it was $100, okay? Things of that nature, okay? This one is up 86% in the past 5 years, okay, guys? Again, this is what you want to do. All of these dips, boom, right there. That's your chance to buy. Right there, your chance to buy. Right there, your chance to buy. You can't time the market, so you should always be buying, and you buy even more heavier on red days, major pullbacks, or catastrophic events, okay? Use that to your advantage. Look at it through that lens, okay? Some other ones for you guys. Individual, Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. This one's sitting at $52 at the time of this recording. Year to date, this one is up 20%. What else we got? Capital Southwest, we have sitting year to date. This one is up 8%. What else we got? Verizon, ticker symbol on this one is VZ, $41.65. Year to date, this one is up 10%. I just want to show you guys what you may want to consider to have working on your behalf. I often tell the story that one thing we love about dividends in the stock market in general, but ETFs and stocks that pay a dividend. When you put your money to work, your money don't need an off day, a sick day, a vacation day, a mental health day, or any of that. It can always be working on your behalf. And then the good thing about what we do, write this down, it's called DRIP, dividend reinvestment. So when we get a dividend, instead of running out, taking the money out and going and buying a burger or going to buy some shoes, we reinvest the dividend. Then what it does is it buys more of that same asset. So now you have more shares and you just growing it bigger and bigger and bigger. But whether you add more to it or not, the dividend reinvestment is going and buying more shares of that. So if the dividend is paid out and the stock is at a lower price, the dividend may be able to accumulate even more shares than it would if it was at a higher price. And guys, it just creates a nice little snowball, okay? These are just a few stocks, Altria is being another one that I wanted to put on your radar. The ticker symbol on this one is MO, sitting at $50.50. But listen, guys, in your journey, you want to make sure that you have a good mix of growth, of quality, blue chip, ETFs, passive income. Okay, you want to be thinking about the game in those terms, because I often see people try to be extra. Okay, there's only so much investing you can do before you need to learn how to trade. You need to learn how to develop another skill, because if you invest like me and you built your wealth through investing, ain't nothing left to do. You set it and forget it. You rebalance. You go in. You tax loss harvest. You do what you need to do to keep everything afloat. But there's not much to do. And you're not going to go out and buy more Apple when you already got $10 million of Apple, $5 million of Tesla, $5 million of Nvidia. Ain't nothing left to do. You just let that do what it do. Why not take the little money you got on the side and get some dividends, get some ETFs, learn how to trade, buy some leaps, do some of these other things, sell some covered calls, sell some puts, do some of these other things that can also teach you how to develop a skill set, but also grows your money when you master how to do those things. Does that make sense? And that's just where I'm at on the journey, guys. Well, I've been here for a long time now, but again, love the stock market. I love every facet of it. But more importantly, at this phase of the game, once you guys get your dividends set up, once you guys get your passive income in place and you got it, like, listen to this, guys. Some of these plays pay weekly. Some of these plays play monthly, and some of them come out every 3 months. The way Coach sets his up is I get something every single month. So some of my buys are strategic. Like, I might have VTI and SCHD because one get paid here, one get paid here, but then I have Maine in the middle of that and Altria underneath that. And so every single month is just a boatload of money, $10, $20, $30,000 just coming in through dividend payouts. Does that make sense? Dividend payouts. Nothing to do with the trading, nothing to do with all the home runs, nothing to do with the plays we knock out the park, nothing to do with the money team, nothing to do with the stuff in Discord. Let me know if that makes sense, guys, okay? So these are just some plays I want to put on your radar. I can go down for days because my bag is very, very deep with this, but I feel like this is a good enough start to show you a couple of things, meaning assets that you might want to have on the journey, okay? Listen, let me know what dividend plays you like. I do like JEPI. I like SCHD, SCH. I like some other ones as well. And so let me know what you have. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you do, okay? And then, guys, from there, you put it on autopilot and you just let it work. You let it do what it do. Listen, guys, hopefully today's video was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.